Hello friends, welcome to Traction channel. Today we are going to study relation operators in C program. In the previous video we have already seen command conditional operators and arithmetic operators. So this is a video regarding the relation operators in C program. First understand what do you mean by relational operators. So it is used to distinguish between two values depending on the relations. And so these operators provide the relationship between the two expressions. If the relation is true, then it returns the value will be 1. Otherwise, it will return the value will be 0 or a false relations. So now we will be see the relation operators briefly. So relation operators. So these operators are used to distinguish between two values depending on the relations. So it means it is used to distinguish between the two values depending on the relations. So it's why it's called a relation operators. It provides the relation between the two operands. If the relation is true, it returns the value will be 1. If the relation is false, it returns the value will be 0. So these operators are used in decision making and laws. So the relation operator it is used to distinguish between the two values depending on the relation. For example, if the 10 is greater than 5, the condition is true, then it will return the value will be 1. For example, 5 is greater than 10. So it means the condition, the statement is false. It means it return the value will be 0. If the value, if the relation is true, it returns the value will be 1. If the relation is false, it returns the value will be 0. So in this slide, you can see I given one example regarding the table. So these are the operator. So the operator you can see there is a greater than operator. So I given one example. If 9 is greater than 8, the condition is true, then you return the value will be 1. Less than the less than operator, 9 is less than 9. You can see the 10 is less than 9. The condition in the statement is false. So return the value will be 0. Next one, less than or equal to. So you can see less than or equal to, you can see. So 10 is less than or equal to 10. So it means or is coming. So it means the statement is true. Then return the value will be 1. Next one, greater than or equal to. 12 is greater than or equal to 5. You can see the condition is true. 12 is greater than or equal to 5. So 12 is greater than 5. So the statement is true, then return the value will be 1. Next one, equal to 3 is equal to 4. So the condition is false, then the condition is false. So return the value will be 0. Next one, not equal to. 3 is not equal to 3. Okay, it means 3 is not equal to 3. The condition is false. The statement is false. So return the value will be 0. So I will run one program. I will show you. First, I'm include the edit file. Hash include std io.h. Next one, hash include only.h. I'm including the two edit file. Next one, you can see I'm opening void main. So you can see opening curly brace. Next one in the clear screen, I'm using the clear screen. So I'm using printf. So in the printf, I'm going to display the operators. First one, I want to display 10 is not equal to first one. I am displaying 10 is greater than 9. 10 is greater than 9. So here I am going to display 10 is greater than 9. Okay, first one I showed the greater than symbol. Next one, I want to display the less than symbol. Slash n. 9 is less than 10. You can see I given 9 is less than 10. So I'm using. So here 9 is less than 10. Here also I am using the less than symbol. Next one, next printf, I'm going to display less than or equal to /10. In this place, I'm going to less than or equal to 10 is less than or equal to 100. Example I given 10 is less than or equal to 100. Next one, printf. So in this example, I am going to display greater than or equal to. So 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Percentage is 10 is greater than or equal to 10. Okay, next example, printf /n. I am going to display already greater than or equal to I want to display 10 equal to 10 colon slash d equal to 10. Next printf I am going to display /n not equal to I want to display. So I'm using the 10 is not equal to 9. So given 10 is not equal to 9. Colon, now I'm using this ch. Okay, so you can see in this example I given I displayed all the operator. So first one given greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. And so we can see the first example I given 10 is greater than 9, 9 is less than 10, then 10 is less than equal to 100, 10 is greater than equal to 10, 10 equal to, next will be not equal to. Now I will show you how to run. So you can see there is error is coming. So 1 second. I should do only.h. So I left 9. So you can see there is no error. I'm running the program. Okay, you can see in this example 10 is greater than 9. The statement is true. Then return the value will be 1. Next will be, you can see there is a given I given. Next will be the statement is true. Then return the value will be 1. Next statement, the condition is true. Return the value will be 1. Next one, you can see the condition is true. The return the value will be 1. And you can see 10 is greater than equal to 10. So 10 is greater than equal to 10. This condition is true. Return the value will be 1. Next one, you can see 10 is equal to 10. So the condition is true. Return the value will be 1. 10 is not equal to 9. So 10 is not equal to 9. The condition is true. Return the value will be 1. So in this program, in this example, I already show you all the operators. There is all the relation operators in C programming. So after seeing my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.